providing access to DJs. If more than one DJ performs on your station, you may find it desirable to delegate limited access to the control panel to each DJ. This is made possible through the use of DJ accounts. Creating a DJ account. To create a DJ account, in the navigation panel at the left-hand side of the screen, click DJs under the Configuration heading. Click the Create DJ Account link at the right-hand side of the page. Enter a username, password, and name for the DJ in the appropriate fields. Configure privileges for the DJ. A number of privileges are available, and any combination of privileges can be assigned to each DJ. Start/stop the stream. This allows the DJ to start or stop the streaming server. Start/stop the auto DJ allows the DJ to start or stop the auto DJ only. For SHO Udcast v1 servers, this is required in order for a DJ to begin a live broadcast. Manage playlist settings allows the DJ to modify the auto DJ's playlist settings. Access Media Library allows the DJ to access the media library and add and remove tracks to play from playlists. Manage Media Files allows the DJ to access the file manager and upload, move, rename, and delete the files for your stream. Full FTP access allows the DJ to use his username and password to log in via FTP and access all files for your stream. Also, grants Manage Media Files permission. Private FTP folder provides a private folder under media/DJ/DJ username/ in which the DJ can upload and manage his own private set of media files via FTP or via the file manager. View Statistics allows the DJ to view the statistics for the stream. View Listeners allows the DJ to view the current listeners for the stream. View Logs allows the DJ to view the log files for the stream. Configure the permitted login times for the DJ. You can restrict the DJ's access to specific times of day on specific days of the week, such that he is only able to log in during his scheduled show times, if applicable. Click Save to save the new DJ account. Live broadcasts by DJs. In most cases, you will need to provide the main source password, which you configured in the station details and time section of the basic usage guide, to your DJs to allow them to connect to the server with a live source for their broadcasts. If your station is configured with SHO Udcast v2 and Liquid Soap or SC_trans v2, however, each DJ's username and password, which you configured above, will also serve as their login details for live source connections. In this configuration, you never have to share passwords between DJs.